So I was recently working on this Inspiron 11 series laptop, and it has an interesting issue that I've never run into before. And I don't know which laptops this all applies to, but I know for certain it is this model. And this is your warning, I guess, for headphone users. This sound is going to be really loud and annoying. It's 5 beeps. I'm just going to boot into BIOS. So there's a model of this laptop. And it'll basically do that nonstop. And what it means is it's the CMOS battery's dead, which is one of the stupidest reactions I've ever seen, other than I guess the certain Dells that don't turn on if the CMOS battery's dead. But like, why do you beep nonstop just because the CMOS battery's dead? Oh, it's annoying. But yeah, so if you have a laptop that just beeps real loud and it's really annoying for no apparent reason, it's probably because the CMOS battery's dead. And the way to fix it, let's see on this laptop. On this particular laptop, you need to take out all the screws around the perimeter along with that one. And then you remove the cover starting from this side because the USB port is attached to the base of the laptop, not to the motherboard or palm rest. There's like a cable that goes to the motherboard. So basically you peel the laptop open starting on this side and you kind of work your way down and it'll hinge up off of the HDMI port. When you put it back together though, you do need to have, let's see if I can do this one-handed, you do need to have the laptop partially open because the base needs to clear the LCD lid. But yeah, that's super annoying and stupid, but if you ever wonder why, I guess now you know. It's just something dumb that Dell decided to do.